Welcome to Fort C TV, where everyday meals feel like home. Today we'll be making a quick, cozy, and luxurious egg omelet. Let's get cooking. Crack 2 to 3 eggs into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and black pepper. Whisk until the eggs are smooth and well combined. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add a little butter or oil and let it melt. Pour the whisked eggs into the pan and let them cook undisturbed for a few seconds. Use a spatula to pull the edges inward, letting the uncooked egg fill the gaps. When the eggs are nearly set, sprinkle in your favorite fillings, cheese, peppers, or anything you like. Gently fold the omelet in half. Let it finish cooking for 30 seconds, then slide it onto a plate. That's it. Warm, fluffy, and ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching Fort C TV, where flavor flows and every dish tells a story. See you in the next one.